Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today in this video we are going to be, well, I'm going to be cleaning the passenger side cam lobe. You really caught in one of my previous videos that I did the driver side, and now I'm going to do the passenger side. It's going to take a while as well, like I did with the driver side. So like I did with the driver side, I will be pretty much time-lapsing the whole process just to save a bit of time. It's going to, well, for you at least, if I show you it all in normal length, you're going to be in there for a long while watching it, as it takes a long time. So I'm only using sandpaper and stuff like that of different grits. So let's get straight on with it. When I get the cam cover off, and then after taking the cam cover off, I'll pretty much start recording. So but you're watching me take the cam cover off. Yeah, so I'm going to do that, and I'll bring you back as soon as I'm ready to go. Okay, and it's technically now a new year. Been a several months since I've actually done anything on here, and I've now finished. Been a long day. A bit of oil on them just to give them a bit of lube when I start the engine. But it's technically a whole new year since I've started on this. Been several months since I've done any work on this car. It's hibernated during winter, and now I'm starting to crack out the videos on it. So you see in the cameras now, they're pretty much clean. They're not perfect. Obviously, to make them perfect, you probably would need to be taken out anything to a specialist and use the machinery. Obviously, I don't have that sort of luxury to be able to do that. So I've done as much as best as I can to take the lumps and bumps off rust, which obviously not all of them, only a little bit here and there. Obviously the whole camshaft wasn't covered in rust. Otherwise you would have to just bite the bullet and get new ones. But no, you can only mind the surface rust here and there on little bits which have been cleaned up just in case. So that's all done. But like I said, it's been over a year, well not over a year, that'd be So maybe in the next year, if we even started on work on this car again. I actually can't remember when I last actually was doing the camshaft. A while ago, no, it's a while ago. I think September, possibly, maybe October, when it was still warm out. Yeah, and again, this is the first month of the year, February, since I've actually started doing stuff on the car. So it's been a while. So yeah, time to start cracking out the videos, I think, and getting a lot more videos filmed on this car and other cars in general. Which I've got a few videos planned for the other two coming up. So I'll keep them secret for that video. Obviously, this video is about this car, not them. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Obviously, a bit shorter than the other one, but the same job. I think it's just time lapse. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you like and subscribe, really does help the channel to grow. So once again, you've been on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.